If your child doesn't like to eat, then you can try frying this seaweed. My child has to eat every time, 3 big bowls at 5 o'clock. It's very simple to make. First, prepare a plate of leftover rice from yesterday. Grab the rice with your hand and set it aside. Then prepare a whole piece of seaweed. Don't put oil in the pan. Roast it on both sides. When it turns green, that means the seaweed is almost roasted. Take it out and put it in a plastic bag, then use both hands to crush it. Pour it into a bowl and add 2 spoons of cooked sesame seeds. Stir evenly. Next, prepare an empty bowl. Crack 3 eggs into it and use chopsticks to stir the eggs in one direction. Now, for the side ingredients. Peel a carrot and slice it thinly, then cut it into shreds and finally dice it. Vegetables can be prepared according to your personal taste. Place them on a plate. Then, prepare 3 pieces of lunch meat. Cut the ham sausage into shreds, then into small cubes. Put it together with the diced carrot. Finally, prepare a handful of shallots. You can cut a little more so the fragrance will be stronger. Put the shallots on a separate plate. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, pour in the egg mixture. Turn up the heat and stir with a spatula. Stir-fry the eggs until cooked, then remove and place them in a bowl. Pour a little more oil into the pan. Once hot, add the diced carrot, lunch meat, and a bit of minced garlic. Stir-fry for 2 minutes. Once fragrant, add the bowl of rice. It's best if the rice is from the day before, as it's easier to stir-fry until the grains are separated. Stir-fry while pressing down with a spatula. I've shared more than 200 home cooking tutorials. I haven't gotten your like yet. If you happen to see this video, please help me click one. Add the cooked eggs back in and continue to stir. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a little salt, a 5-spice powder, chicken essence. Stir-fry and everything is well combined. Finally, add the crushed seaweed and a handful of scallions. Stir-fry on high heat for about 48 times. Then you can take it off the pan. The egg-fried rice made this way is really fragrant. There's meat, there's veggies, and there's flavor. The ingredients are very rich. Even picky kids will be forced to eat. If you've learned this recipe, save it and try it at home.